already explored Stone. Today I am going to teach you how to make your own Facebook avatar. All you need to do is go to your Facebook application and then you go up there and you will see the three lines here. You just need to click the three lines and here you can find avatars. And then you just need to search or to click avatar, and then you need to select which color skin tone do you want. There's a lot of skin tone in here. I want to select that one, and then next, and then here you can choose which hairstyle. You can have short, medium or long. I prefer to have long hair because I'm a girl, so I just need to click long hair, and then if I'm finished, then I just click done here and it's processing. So I just need to wait a little bit, and then it's already finished and just click next, and here you can see your you can also use avatars in your comments. So I just need to check next, and there you go. The avatar is already finished, and then you can share it in your Facebook feeds. That's all for today. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to give me thumbs up. Bye.